Our first meeting is all about your priorities and your ideal timelines. No need to prep your home for me. I will see its maximum potential and then walk you through and help you identify the most profitable improvements within your budget.
The situation that we were in, my mother was living in this house, and she lacks a certain amount of mobility at this point. She's not really able to keep up the house. It had fallen into disrepair. It was really neglected. A lot needed to be done. And walking into that experience thinking, how am I going to sell this house? How am I ever going to present this to someone and they're going to want to buy it? It's overwhelming, and it's a weight that just sits on you and sits on you and sits on you. Raquel came in and just said, show me the house as it is, and walked through it, was very matter of fact, said, this is what we need to do. And she absolutely transformed that house.
Contact me anytime. I can't wait to hear from you.